Kalani Valley Plantations PLC, established in 1992, is a member of the Haley's Group of companies. A highly diversified Sri Lankan business conglomerate with worldwide business interests in fiber, hand protection, purification, fabric, construction material, agriculture, plantations, transportation and logistics, leisure and aviation, consumer products, power and energy, BPO and shared services. Our company owns and manages 13,000 hectares of rubber and tea plantations and is spread over 3 agro-climatic regions, annually producing 4 million kilograms of rubber and 7 million kilograms of tea. Kalani Valley Plantations provides direct employment to over 15,000 people, most of whom are resident in our plantations, and nurtures a resident population of over 55,000. We are a signatory to the United Nations Global Compact 10 Principles, which covers human rights and anti-corruption. Our rubber plantations, spanning over 4,500 hectares, have obtained the Forest Stewardship Council certification. FSC is an international certification and labeling system dedicated to promoting environmentally appropriate, socially beneficial and economically prosperous management of the world's forests. Every year, old rubber plantations are replanted with new and higher yielding clones for future sustainability of our business. The planting material comes from nurseries established within our plantations to ensure high quality of plants. The replanting is carried out under good agricultural practices such as establishing ground cover to guarantee zero impact to the environment. We ensure that all our agricultural practices surpass the standards set out by the Rubber Research Institute of Sri Lanka. Latex is harvested by skilled harvesters who receive periodic training. The fresh latex is then transported to our processing centers under extreme hygienic conditions to ensure purity of our products. Once the latex is received at our factories, it is carefully processed. The milling process involved in crepe manufacture is unique as it leaches out chemical residues used for coagulation. By passing through a series of mills, a thin and fine rubber lace is formed for manufacture of sole crepe and latex crepe. The dried laces are preformed by skilled and experienced table staff and laminated together to ensure proper bonding. Each sole crepe sheet is then carefully sorted to assure it is free of any dirt. The accuracy of thickness, dimensions and color to ensure it meets customer requirements before dispatch. Natural rubber sole crepe has been tried and tested for many decades and has been accepted as probably the best material for manufacture of shoes used in icy surfaces. Sole crepe of Sri Lankan origin is probably the most unadulterated natural rubber product made for human use, as it has been manufactured after reducing the protein levels naturally present in rubber to a bare minimum and is free of leachable chemicals. Sole crepe comes in 3 different finishes, namely smooth, pebbly and ribbed, and a varying range of thickness. Colored sole crepe is produced to suit individual requirements. 2 of our factories have obtained FSC chain of custody, and we are capable of producing FSC certified sole crepe and latex crepe. Our centrifuge latex production facility is capable of manufacturing FSC certified centrifuge latex. During each stage of manufacture, stringent quality checks are carried out to guarantee quality parameters. Our product range also includes RSS, scrap crepe and skim crepe. Kalani Valley Plantations is a signatory to the United Nations CEO water mandate, and all our factories are equipped with effluent treatment plants which purifies the contaminated water to guarantee the discharge meets industry standards before the water is released. Our people are our biggest asset, and we have our own multi-dimensional CSR initiative branded as a home for every plantation worker. This program addresses the living environment, health and nutrition, community capacity building, and the empowerment of the youth in the Kalani Valley plantation community. A home for every plantation worker is an ongoing project designed to uplift the quality of life of the community within the Kalani Valley plantations. We care for our people throughout their life's journey. This initiative has received many national and international accolades and has been the subject of several case studies done by international organizations including INSEAD School of Business and CSR Asia. Our plantations are home to many endemic and endangered flora and fauna. To improve the forest cover within our boundaries, identified areas have been planted with high-value timber species. We engage in ethical and sustainable business.